subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new 5G enabled smartphone in the Europe called Moto G 5G Plus. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G 5G Plus features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate. The screen supports HDR10 and it boasts 21:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 chipset coupled with Adreno 620 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Moto G 5G Plus supports quad camera setup on the rear in a square module including LED flash. The quad rear camera includes 48 megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 118-degree field of view plus 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, it has dual 16 plus 8 megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top left corner. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 and it houses 5000 mAh battery with 20 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with dedicated Google Assistant button for voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168 by 74 by 9mm and it weighs around 207 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G 5G Plus has been priced in Europe for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at €349, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at €399. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in surfing blue color option. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G 5G Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.